You searched how to buy shares of Bowhead Specialty Holdings Inc. Bowhead Specialty Holdings Inc. trades on NASDAQ under the ticker BOW. And this video explains the buying process for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To proceed, you need a broker account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and you will need to add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BOW to locate the company listing. Make sure you select the Bowhead Specialty Holdings Inc. result that shows the NASDAQ exchange. On the stock page, review the brief company description and inspect the price chart to see recent activity. Confirm the NASDAQ listing and ticker BOW to ensure this is the correct asset before proceeding. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review all order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may fill when trading resumes, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the purchase. After the trade executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For more information and the eToro link, please check the description below.